Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a wooden door frame. First, carefully inspect the current frame for its condition and identify any areas requiring special attention. Before beginning any work, always put on your safety glasses and sturdy gloves to protect yourself from splinters and debris. Have your pry bar, hammer, and measuring tape readily available for easy access. This initial preparation ensures a safe and efficient project from the very start. Now, begin removal by scoring all painted or caulked edges with a utility knife, preventing drywall tearing. Carefully pry off interior and exterior trim pieces using a wide pry bar, working slowly to minimize wall damage. Once the trim is off, locate and remove all nails or screws securing the old frame to the wall studs. With fasteners gone, gently remove the old frame sections, taking care not to widen the opening. This meticulous approach protects your walls. Before installing your new frame, thoroughly clean the rough opening, removing all dust, debris, and old caulk from the studs and floor. Carefully inspect the framing for any damage, making necessary repairs to ensure a solid foundation. Use a spirit level to check if the opening is perfectly plumb and level on all sides. You may need to add shims to achieve precise alignment, which is crucial for a properly fitting door. This careful preparation guarantees a smooth installation. Now, carefully lift the new door frame into your prepared opening, ensuring it sits flush and square. Use your spirit level and shims to adjust the frame until it is perfectly plumb and level, securing the shims with small nails. Fasten the frame to the wall studs using long screws, typically 3-inch wood screws, driven through the shims for a tight fit. Finally, install your new trim, caulk all seams, and apply paint for a professional, finished look. Enjoy your refreshed entryway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.